Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to change your audio and video settings during a Roombr session. First, locate the More option menu and click Audio Video Settings from the menu. This will open up a window where you can manage your audio and video devices. In the Audio Video Settings window, you'll see various options. Here's what you can do. Camera Preview. View a preview of your camera feed to ensure it's working properly. Camera controls. On or off your camera. And rotate it if needed. Microphone controls. Mute or unmute your microphone. Change the camera, mic, and speakers. You can also select a different microphone, camera, and speakers from the drop-down menu. All connected devices will be listed in the drop-down. Streaming resolution. Set the streaming resolution to high, medium, or low. By default, it's set to medium. Network test. Perform a network test to ensure you have a stable connection. To make changes, simply click on the Update Settings button to apply the changes. And that's it! Change camera and microphone settings is simple as that.
Roombr.